how to log into McDonald's app for free reward. Hi everybody, welcome back. In order to log in and access free reward on McDonald's app, you first need to download it and register. So simply open up your app store and type in McDonald and make sure to install the app. After which, simply tap onto the open button. This is gonna take you to the very home page. Now here, what you can do is simply skip this ad for now, and you could just go ahead and tap the three dot and select sign in. You could go ahead and sign in using your Facebook, Google, or email. Select one of these methods and sign in to your account. As soon as you're signed into your account, what here you need to do is, once logged in, you can opt in to My McDonald reward through more or profile, and you could also go ahead and look for McDonald's as well. So basically, it's gonna take a while in order to log into you. So basically, you could go to this section and look for reward and offers. You can then go ahead and look for My McDonald reward menu to start earning points as well. And points are automatically added when you order through the app. And you could also select the earn points tab to reveal a 4-digit code or QR code to scan, or you could also continue a front counter or drive through as well. And this way you should be able to log in. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.